Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo C615 alarm setup. Here I have the camera already working with my cell phone on the Tapo app. And as you can see, there's a floodlight and also there's a siren here that I can just set up to trigger when there's motion in front of the camera. The idea is that when somebody's approaching the camera, it can trigger an alarm with the siren, with a sound, a custom sound if I want to, and also the floodlight. So here you see that I have the alarm that I can activate manually, and there's also the auto alarm. I just need to come here to the main screen, and from here I just tap on alarm and I have the options, manual and auto. Okay, let me just test the manual alarm here. There we go. You see here the floodlight flashing, and also there's a siren inside. And you can also change the volume, the type of siren that you want. Let me just come here to the setup part. You see that I can just enable the alarm. Somebody approaches the camera detects and start doing its job with the alarm, right? If I come to manual alarm, here I can change the type of alarm. You see sound and light or only light. Let me just put only light, and the duration is for 30 seconds. So if I come back here to the main screen, alarm's off right now. I just put it on. And with the manual alarm, you see now it's flashing the light only. So there is no sound. Super simple. Back here, I can change this only to sound. So there is no light then. When I come back here to alarm, manual alarm, only sound. Very simple. Back here one more time. Let's just check the types of alarm that we have. Sound type. Here's the default. I can change to a custom sound. So basically I can just record something. Let's say a message, for example, or a music, whatever you want to record, and you can save and use the custom sound instead of the default one. The default one allows you to change from siren, that's the one, to emergency. There is also red alert. And you can change the volume as well from low to normal to high. Okay, this is pretty high. So I usually work with this low volume here inside, but outdoors you can use normal or high. That's okay. Okay, so it's working pretty fine here. The duration is 30 seconds. For the auto alarm, if I just enable here, it's going to work with the motion detection. Let me just enable here. There you go. As you can see, I was moving in front of the camera and the alarm was triggered. So super simple and works automatically, right? So that's the way you can set up the alarm for the Tapo C615. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.